one.
Not at the same time?
Put it down. All right. Okay, well, we thought we'd be dumb and do the cinnamon challenge. So,
I'm scared.
we got
Oh
some
God.
cinnamon. Yeah. It smells good. We got a spoon. Normal size, you know, not no baby spoon.
Lindsay.
If I die, you guys,
There's water, don't worry. Okay, let's see it.
Alright, so here's my spoon of cinnamon.
Nothing.
Oh man, I'm gonna fucking throw up. Alright. So, alright, here we go. Whoa. Okay. Oh.
Oh, that was funny.
That was a fail.
Do I do it now? I'm
Yeah.
scared. If we get caught. How do I do this? I don't want to take as much as Lindsay. Look at this, everybody. Look at this. She coughed it out, and it's like all right here. Look how gross that is. Okay. Do I go now? Lindsay, hurry. Come here.
Do it, Gracie.
How do I for Lindsay?
Eat 'em.
Okay, that's the worst fucking thing I've done in my life ever. Like ever.
Do I do it? I don't do it, right? No, I don't do it. Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna do that?
No,
I
I'm not.
want to do it.
No, Grace, you're gonna do it.
Damn. But don't give me as much as you because you
Tablespoon.
and there because you like coughed it out. Here, look
That
at
was
this.
funny.
Look at her shirt. Look at her shirt. Oh, dang it, she wiped it off, but it's all dirty. It's all ugly.
We'll give you.
I'm not gonna be able to do it.
She's gonna go weenie like that.
Yes. It's really.
No, not that much, you know. Go. It's gonna fucking suck. I'm just gonna tell you that.
Do it.
Just do it. Don't psych yourself out.
Do it.
Go.
Lindsay, you know I.
Go. Do
Do
it.
it.
Do it.
Damn, this is hard.
Do it.
Let me go out first.
That's gonna make it worse. It's gonna stick to the inside of your mouth. On the one I got, it stuck all in here.
Oh my God! Did I just throw up?
You did? You just threw up.
No!
It's kind of gross, right?
Oh no.
It won't come out!
Swish it in your mouth. Swish it. You're supposed to
This
swish
is-
it. Close your mouth.